Hi, Tiffany. This is Viola with Gwinnett SEO. I actually saw your post on I need a website. I believe this is it right here. Yeah. And I went ahead and just looked up exactly what you would need it for. And I'm thinking you need a website for this cleaning service right here. So what I went ahead and did was I wanted to make you this quick video so I could explain exactly what it would all entail and how you can go about doing some of these things yourself. And of course, if you want some help, go ahead and hit me up at the end of the video and I'll be more than happy to assist you with that. But I wanted to type in cleaning services Detroit, right? And I wanted to see who would populate. And the point of having a website is not just so it's a good looking website, it's so that you can get leads, right? So that people can actually find you. And what I'm noticing is that DetroitMaid.us is the #1 in the organic section. And Mary Maids is under here for Detroit, and they're in the second section there. But the truth is, there are probably hundreds of other cleaning services out there, right? But when people type in cleaning services Detroit, they're going to land on one of these 3 pages. So how does Google decide who gets on this first page? So this first area here is all about the ads, okay, and obviously that's paid advertising. Then you have the map area, and below that are 3 businesses that always populate. Well, I shouldn't say always, but there will be a number of 3, but inside this area there's hundreds, and there's another way to maximize this, and this is really through citations. And a citation is just your business name, address, and phone number listed throughout different directories across the World Wide Web. And that can be optimized, or the way to win in this area is to find out how many citations your top competitor has, Mary Maids of Detroit, and if they have, let's say they have 52, this is not the number, but let's just say they do, then you want to add another 20, 30, 40 on top of that number, so that way you know that you're outranking them month after month after month. And you'll be winning in this area too. But not only this, if you come down here, this is the organic section, and this has everything to do with content and backlinks. So what do I mean? I went ahead and pulled up Detroit Maid. This is their website here. Okay, good looking website. You know, I like how bright it is that they have going on there. But I will tell you that Google likes to put people on the first page that have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on their homepage. And right now, Detroit Maid is kind of falling short of that amount. So that just tells me once you get your website built and you get your homepage upwards of 1,500 to 2,000, then you're going to be outranking them in that area as well. Now, the other thing I mentioned to you was the backlinks, and that takes me to this tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and it lets me know exactly what's going on the back end of a website and how they're winning. So a backlink is simply, and you may know all this information already, you may not, but I'll still explain it. A backlink is simply site A pointing. There's a link on site A that's pointing to site B. So if you click on that link on site A, it takes you to another website. And that is in turn giving that website power. Backlinks are super important on your website. So the way to win in this area, because right now Detroit Maid, like we said, is #1, and they're getting 300 a month, 300 clients a month just from Google alone, you know, and the way to win in this area is to find out exactly, you know, DR and UR are power, and you want those numbers to be high. So you want to find out which backlinks they're using that they're winning with, and I will go ahead and ask for a link on those same pages, so that way I can have as strong of a backlink. Now, keep in mind, not all backlinks are created equal. That's why you see some of these numbers are increasing, decreasing. Look at this, 0 and 0, and 9 times out of 10 it's because it has nothing to do with the business that they're doing. So as long as it has some relevance, like how to clean brass, that obviously has a lot to do with cleaning, that's going to give you a stronger backlinking power than the other. And the last thing I wanted to go over with you is this, which is super important, and that's the keywords. Again, the way to win in this strategy is to find out what keywords are working for them, right? So cleaning services Detroit, this is telling us that 200 people per month search for this keyword in Google. And this company, Detroit Maid US, is getting 73 clients per month just from this one keyword, and they're in the #1 spot for it, right? And then you have Maid Services Detroit. That's another keyword. So sometimes people are typing that in, and there's 80 people that are typing that in per month, and this company is getting 31 out of those 80, and they're the number one position. So just this tells me once you get on page 1, whether you're in the number 1, 2, 3, or 4 position, you're going to get a portion of this amount once your website is strategically created so you can win. Right. So with that, Tiffany, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're able to put some of this into action. And of course, if you need any help with this, feel free to reach out to me and we could partner up and I'll let you know what the next steps are. Okay. Again, thanks and you have a good one.